Welcome back. If you're using Telegram Web on your PC and wondering how to make videos play automatically without clicking each one, you're in the right place. Telegram recently updated its settings, and enabling autoplay is now quick and straightforward. Let's walk through it together. First, open Telegram Web in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your chats and settings. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on that to open the sidebar menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Inside Settings, scroll a little until you see the section called Animations and Performance. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Telegram groups options related to how media behaves and how smooth everything runs. Now, look for the Media Autoplay section. Here you'll find different options related to automatic playback. Find the option labeled Autoplay Videos. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to Autoplay Videos so it turns on.